This looks like progress, but it isn't actually where I'm starting from. I want to race pro AMA motocross, and right now it's winter, it's cold, tracks aren't open, and I'm nowhere close to where I need to be. My name is Ethan Odell. I've been riding since I was 2 years old, very off and on. I have not been consistently riding. I have not been racing all my life. Overall, I was not born into motocross. I simply had a dirt bike when I was young, got to ride it a few times. I've grown up and I've decided I want to go AMA Pro. That matters a lot to me for a couple different reasons, but the biggest reason I'm going to get into today is everyone sees all the pros and get discouraged because you have to be born into it. Well, I'm here to say you can build your way into it, and that's what I'm about to do. It is currently January 14th, 2026. My biggest hurdle at the moment is that it's wintertime. It's cold, tracks aren't open, I have nowhere private I can ride, I have to ride public tracks. The only option I really have is to either suck it up and ride in the cold or indoor supercross. That brings its own challenges. As I am a newer rider, I know the basics, I know how to ride, but I'm nowhere near where I need to be. Starting with supercross is going to expose all of my downfalls, all of my issues, all of my bad technique. It's going to expose everything. It's going to be a really rough start, but that might be my only option. Now you may be asking yourself, well, how good is this guy? He must be pretty good if he's talking about going AMA Pro. I'll be the first one to tell you that is not the case. I'm no better than your less than average weekend rider. I'm just getting started with this. And some concerns I have are, number one, fitness. I'm by no means out of shape necessarily, but I'm not in great shape either. Fitness, cardio, strength, conditioning is going to be a huge part of this journey, and you're going to follow along with me. My overall skill, I can get around a track, I know how to ride, I know some of the basics. I have a good foundation to start, but I don't know the advanced techniques, I don't know racecraft. Quite frankly, I'm just not that fast, yet. There's some fear and some confidence I'm going to have to get through. Going to new tracks with big jumps, hitting big jumps for the first time, lining up on the gate for the first time. These are things that I'm going to have to overcome and learn ways to cope with the fear, but also build the confidence and deal with lack of confidence in situations where I may not be familiar. It's all going to be part of a long journey. Another concern is time. I work a full-time job. I support this endeavor. In fact, I'll be gone all week out of town for work. So time is going to be something I'm going to have to really learn how to manage and make the best of. Going forward, making the best of every moment I have while I have it, and you're going to be along for the entire ride. My goal is to get my AMA Pro license. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I know how long that's going to take. I'm not going to tell you that I know exactly what I'm doing or how I'm going to do it, because this is a journey that I have not done before. And unlike a lot of the pros, I was not born into it, just like you probably weren't born into it. So I'm going to show you what it really takes to achieve that dream. Now, there's a lot of preparation on and off the bike, but you get to follow me along every step of the way, and we'll figure it out. This is part one of a very long series. We had a lot of work to do before we hit the track this year. Join me next week for our season preparation.